to cook some lasagna soup. I saw this recipe and I'm finally gonna do it right now. So even though it's fall, yes, but it's not like giving fall here in Florida, but I still want to do fall things. So I made the cheese Danish yesterday. I have 3 left over. I'm trying to do like more homey type of things, so like different type of cooking things I never cooked before. So you're gonna be seeing me make a lot of like chilies and like pot roast type things. Like I want to really do some other stuff. So I'll just go over the things that I have based off of what I saw. I am missing a few items like ricotta cheese. Instead of ricotta cheese, I'm gonna use heavy whipping cream. So let me go over some of the things that I have. All right, so we've got our ground beef. We've got our ground beef, we've got our tomato sauce or pasta sauce. We've got our lasagna noodles. We've got minced garlic, tomato paste, heavy whipping cream, cream cheese, and then I'm gonna put onions. I don't have any bell peppers. Bell peppers would have been the last thing I put in here, but I don't have any. But it is what it is. I'm gonna just make it do what it do, baby. Really wanna do something different today. So I'm gonna play some music and let you guys just watch me cook it.
Plenty so far we face just to make your money day. From my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want the love. You may tell me what's it come? You want come? All the Bentley, the gas, ride the whip, I no fee, die for nothing. What's it come? You want come? All the Bentley, the gas, ride the whip. I know different things that happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my port, I'm paddling. Shout out, Bella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen drinks. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. But I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a I be head of state. From my people, then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it come? You are come, all the men, the gas, ride the whip, I no fee, die for nothing. What's it come? You are come, all the men, the gas, ride the whip, I no fee.
We're going to plate our bowl. Because it is a soup, I've got to eat it in a bowl. I'm going to just use this bowl here. And I'm going to change to this spoon. Ah, I'm so excited. Oh, just looks so yummy and perfect. And it's not too much cheese, so that's really good. Only thing I didn't have is basil. You're supposed to put basil leaf on top, but I ain't got that. I throw a little bit of oregano on top for garnish. Okay. Here's my little toast, so cute. Ah, it looks so pretty. All right, you guys, so here is the meal. Look at that beautiful meal. Ah, so cozy, so yummy. I cannot wait till my husband tries it. He's going to love it, I am sure. Obviously get my content. You guys, I am on the app called Lemon 8 now. So that's why I'm taking these photos. I'm just gonna do a montage. Instead of doing a tutorial on like Instagram and stuff, I'm just gonna do a montage of pictures. That's gonna be my new thing. But yeah, follow me on Lemon 8, y'all. My name is BerryFae on there, BerryFae Official. But that is that. This is my beautiful lasagna soup in a bowl. It's literally broken down lasagna, y'all. But I like it. I think I'm gonna really start incorporating, like making the same thing in a different way. But yeah, here's my lasagna soup. It is perfect. I love the consistency of the soupiness. Like it's still soup, but it's like not too watery. You see that? I love this. And that adding that cream cheese actually might be the plug. Instead of ricotta, the cream cheese just melted perfectly. But y'all, I am so in love. Again, you could add spice cheese on top, but I think I did it perfectly with the pepper sauce and then a little bit of Tabasco. It is so good. I got my Texas toast on the side. DJ's gonna love this. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are a new watcher, viewer, make sure you subscribe. Don't leave without that. I wish it was nice and cozy outside, but it's literally still 90 degrees right now. But it's okay. My house is cold. I got my robe on. It's a Friday night. God is good. My family is blessed. And we're just gonna end it right there. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye. So looking good. Bye, y'all.